They could spread peace in any kind of form. They could spread it through their emotions, through an act, a song. They could go around preaching the word of peace.
I would have a conference with all the world's leaders, all the kings, the queens, the presidents, the prime ministers, and all the old presidents and prime ministers, where everybody had to be kind and they weren't allowed to argue.
I would spread the idea of peace to the world by making adverts and getting young people involved before they grow up.
Everyone watches TV, so peace commercials.
I would use newspapers, TV, internet and social networking to spread peace, but I think the greatest way to spread peace is by actions, showing and not telling.
To encourage communities to work together by putting up posters, arranging street parties and concerts, so everybody understood each other.
I would send out lots of buses and things and I'd put it on adverts and big screens.
You could have people going around to different countries and talking about their country, or you could have a museum put up about peace which you have to visit once in your life, which has all the religions and it says how similar they actually are.
Well, I would spread peace to the world by trying to understand people's differences, because that's usually what defeats peace. And if I'm a good example to other people, I think they'd try to be more like me.